saying that we have to draw this drawing in front of us. So knowing that the dimensions are in millimeters, so we have to go there. We say metric, standard, millimeter, and we say create. Don't worry about this message. So here is how you're gonna do this drawing. So you go there, you say circle. Alright, so this is the easy approach that I've found. So you're gonna go with the first circle, we go with the second one, alright, third one, fourth one, I think up to fifth one. So that one there will be 160 millimeters, so 160, right? Then the second one will be 60, so 60 millimeter. The third one will be 40 millimeters, so 40. Okay. The fourth one will be 25 millimeters, right? I think I only need a 4 circle. So I'm gonna come here and say this one delete. So now we're good. What we're gonna do now, I'll go for this line here, which is just the line for guidance. There you go. And I'm gonna go for another circle, right? So that's one they need to be 15 millimeters, right? So as you can see, that's one over there, right? 15 millimeters. So once we here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go for our line. So there is my first one, okay, and there is my second one. I need to make sure that this line here is tangent to this circle. That one needs to be tangent to that circle. Right, so the next thing that I'm gonna make sure about is the angle. So from there up to there, that angle they need to be 30 degrees. Okay, 30. And I need to make sure now that from there up to there, that one needs to be 15 degrees. So 15. Great. All right. Remember now, I needed this circle as well. So there is my other circle. Remember, we need this part here. We need that part. Can you see what I'm talking about? That part over there. So we come back here. So this one here, this circle need to be 1, 1, 3, 6. Right. That is the diameter. So once we have those in place, what I'm gonna do now to avoid any confusion, I'll come here and delete that. Okay, you press on it, you say delete, come there again, I delete that one, I delete this one, and then I need to make sure that from there up to there, that one needs to be 45 millimeters. Okay, great. And then I don't need that one as well, so I delete that one. Then I go there, punch trim. So I trim this part here. Okay, I trim that part over there, I trim that one, I trim this one. So once I finish with trimming, I'm gonna go into the model. I say extrude. Now I need to extrude that part. So that part they need to be extruded by 13 millimeters, and you need to go the other way, the other side of my drawing plane. So I'm gonna punch, instead of punching that one, I'll punch this one here. Great. Then I say okay. And then I'll come here, sketch, visibility on, right? Then I can see my drawing again, on my sketch again. I go into the model, right? I punch extrude. Now I want to extrude this part here this other way, plus that one as well. So this one need to go 12 millimeter. Okay, 12 millimeter. I'm happy with it. I say okay. Then I come again, I say extrude. I need to extrude that part there by what? 36 millimeter. Okay, So now I need to make it visible like that. Then I say okay, right? Can you see that? There's your frame, right? So the next thing that I want this part over here. I want these cards. Do you see that? Can you see that? Can you see it? So I come back here. I say sketch first. I say new sketch. Alright. I choose a rectangle. Then I go like this. Great. Now I want this one here to be 20 millimeters, so 20. That was close. And from there up to there, come on, 20 again. From there up to there, that one need to be 10 millimeters. So 10 millimeters, I say okay. Alright. Then I go on 3D model again. I punch extrude. Then I want this one here to go inside now, not by 36 millimeter but by 8 millimeters. Then I say okay. Now I'm satisfied with the results. So what I want to remove now is the visibility of my sketch. I will say visibility off. Visibility off. Then I have my drawing. So the next thing that you want now is to choose the material. I think for this one you can go with stainless steel, right? Stainless steel. With stainless steel here. There you go. So please, if it's your first time to be here, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to like. For now, I'm gonna ask you to take care of yourself and see you on the next video. Bye.